Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be cleaning my glass top stove, and I am trying a TikTok hack. This is what it looks like before I started cleaning, but I'm going to be starting off by pouring some Dawn dish soap on top of the stove. Then I'm going to be taking some baking soda and generously pouring that on top of the dish soap. Now I'm taking some hydrogen peroxide and pouring a little on top of that. Then I'm going to scrub really good. And after you scrub, you want to just let it sit for a couple of minutes. So now I'm wiping it down with just a damp paper towel. I didn't like how it turned out the first time, so I did it again to see if I can get the rest of those stains off the stove. enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.